Our country is facing unprecedented flood situation in many parts, and this has brought a lot of sorrow to many of the citizens who are staying there. It has brought in its wake death and destruction, and we feel very sorry for the population who has been affected. We are part of you, and we empathize with your situation that you are facing. We as telecom industry are with you to provide telecommunications, to bind you, to bring relief to you, and to do whatever it takes to make your lives more comfortable. We have done whatever best we could do to restore communications wherever they were disrupted and to enhance communications where more communications were required. And we will continue doing that. It is our resolve that our citizenry should not suffer because of lack of telecommunications, and we are committed to make the communications available. This also brings to the fore the importance of communication to the common man and the resolve of the telecom industry to see that communications remain alive and all other aspects are taken to the background. Our primary aim is to see that the communications are available to the common man at whatever it takes. And we assure you that we will continue to do this.